I've chosen the movie entitled 300 Rise of an Empire for historical review. The movie 300 Rise of an Empire, released in 2014, directed by Noah Muro and written and produced by Zack Snyder, was shot on digital using Red E.A.P.P camera and Fujinon Allura lenses, says Master Prime lenses, with Simon Dugan as cinematographer and editing by David Brenner, Wyatt Smith. By acquisition of digital cinema and stereoscopic distribution of 3D IMAX digital distribution. The movie's general purpose is to provide an action-adventure movie that catch viewers' interest, which specifically provide a cinematic effect with three-dimensional movie that could also showcasing the history or the past history of battles in Thermopylae, and how 300 Spartan warriors with the help of Greek alliance defeat the Persian soldiers with its total capacity of approximately 7,000 Persian soldiers. Rise of an Empire is both prequel and sequel of the movie 300. It narratives wrapping around the 2007 film story. It revisits the final shots with Leonidas' warrior's dead body peppered with the arrows of Circe's Persian army. It is absolutely for adult movie because this movie includes sex and other bloody scenes throughout the movie, which is not very suitable for kids viewers. As the movie aiming to showcase the history, it is in a tone of formal state, which is you could always see and notice throughout the movie. With the creator's persona who are made up of Sullivan Stapleton as Themistocles, Eva Green as Artemisia, Lena Headdox as Queen Gorgo, Hans Metteson as Aeschylus. 300 Rise of an Empire, a screen blotted in darkness and gore with full 1.5 hours action. The movie presents double the barbarian ways of slaughter and kill swaying against the first part in the series. Series for the label can be termed as a sheer piece of intelligence rather than seeing it as a pre-planned plot. The movie in a nutshell is an attempt to elongate the history of 300 Spartans to multiple sequential movie parts. The plot and cinematography is excellent provided you watch it in 3D. It's definitely the best movie in English language running in theaters at present. Just go for watching people getting killed, non-stop action, and finally to increase your yearning for the next part to get released. And as for Themistocles, though a bit less strongly built, the story behind the 300 Rise of an Empire are somehow inaccurate in terms of historical review because according to the movie, the Rise of an Empire reveals that Themistocles did not kill Circe's father, King Darius I of Persia, which is Darius the Great, with an arrow at the Battle of Marathon, because King Darius died approximately 4 years later in 486 BC in failing of health.